not take much time, but we'll start with the magic trick. Its name is called as the magic of spirit. So where it says spirit, it's there. So I'm going to take the spirit and change it to here, and then I'm going to grab it again. We'll do it one more time. It's here. I have got it in my hands, and then I have got it in my ear. See? Now I have to get it again. So I got it from here, and back.
All right.
Now we are going to do another trick, which is like this is a very basic trick, but it works. So now my third trick, this is called as anti-gravity. So how does it work is like things, apple falls from up to down, but for this we might, instruct it and it has to go up. See, let me do it again. It's going against gravity. So now this trick which I am going to do, this is called as the magic of the mind, right? So you all must be knowing that the Rubik's cube, and we need a lot of permutation combination to get it solved. I am going to try the same thing, but this time with my own brain waves. So I am going to put it here, I am going to close it here, and then let me try to do some magic. I'm trying to fix, and we have to get all the colors at one side. So maybe Anand, you can open this and show it to everybody. Just take it out.
Whoa! Alright! Cool.
So now the trick which I am going to perform is there is a die which has some numbers, like the number. So I gonna turn around, and Anand is going to pick one number and show you, and then he is going to face it up and then close it. I'll smell and let you know which number was. So let me know once you show and you're ready.
That good? Okay.
And then when you close, face that number up and close it.
Okay. Here you go.
Okay. So he has given me this number, and now I have to smell it, right? So once I smell it, let me think what it is. To do it, so here you see it really flies.
Oh, good. Oh.
This is called as the levitation.
Wow.
Now I need a volunteer. Maybe the kid can come. Please come. So this is just a normal rope. Show your hands. So I'm going to tie this rope, right? It's just a normal rope. Okay? Now you can go. So we are trying to, do some magic trick on this rope.
Ooh.
Now I need maybe some money from you.
Lots of people.
He's pointing to someone.
I already lost the $5.
Catch Satya, man. Catch Satya.
Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I have this thing which is like really, really empty, right? I'm gonna open it up here. Fine, and I have just opened it, and I'm going to close it. So maybe coin, penny, anything would work. Do anyone has a coin?
Take it from your pocket, man.
You aren't like Lord, that's why.
Even if I did, I won't give it to you.
So if you promise to double that and give it to me, then I definitely will.
I can convert it into a gold coin. Would that work?
We'll return it.
Anybody who
Hey,
gives me a coin,
Satya is
I'll
ready.
turn into a gold coin.
No,
and
Satya is
return.
ready. Ask
Give
him.
it Satya.
Satya, give it.
Satya, come on, give it, man.
Satya, recommend Satya.
Just give him 10 cents.
No point, sorry.
Only note.
You want coin?
Yeah.
What other?
Yeah, you should
Any
give
sand
gold.
coin.
Any
Now this.
He draws.
Okay. So he has given, he
One
is
side.
like,
Enjoy.
he has given this coin. So I am going to put this coin in here, right? And let us see if it's really here. So it kind of disappeared, right? Now I am going to close it again and try to get his coin back. Oh yeah. So you need to get a gold coin back.
Oh.
Take it, man. Enjoy.
And here is the coin for him. Now the next trick which we are going to do is
You're not giving back.
sorry.
No. It's only in. How to go
It
in?
is going to be a little bit funny. So
All
I
incoming
think that you guys, everybody, you watch movies. So here is who is he?
Salman Khan.
Guy who invented
He's Asin.
The guy who didn't drive his car, man.
Yeah, the guy who did not drive his car.
He's the alien.
Don't know how to drive a car.
Now I am going to do a magic with him, and you know what he is famous for? I'll show you what he is famous for. So he has like changed, but where is the his thing disappeared? So I think it should be somewhere here.
Oh shit.
Banya.
So by the virtue of magic, we made it disappear, and it was here. It disappeared. This was just a funny thing. Now let's have another thing which is like. So in India, previously it was like Sonia, right? You all see. What do you see here? A queen, right? A queen of heart. Now I gonna do something there, and what do you see now? It's Narendra Modi. Sonia gone.
Oh.
Is it a queen? So now I need some volunteer and an empty glass of water for my next trick. Empty glass of water.
Ganga, you can give a
empty glass or
glass
empty
from there.
glass of water. What does that mean?
And
Empty
yeah,
glass of water.
this is good. That's good.
Empty and glass of water.
Yeah, I mean wine glass also might work. That's okay. I might need help from kid again. But yeah, come.
Is it only kid or anybody?
If you want, you are welcome.
No, Ganga is.
Yeah, Ganga, you can come. Go there.
No, begin.
Let me perform this trick on Ganga. If Ganga, okay. So I am going to put some water in this funnel. I closed it, but I'll allow it to go.
You should wait, man.
It's here, and then I would allow it to go. Again, I would fill it. I would allow it to go. Right. Now comes the magic thing. Fine. So I need a volunteer.
Here you go. Right there.
Here is the volunteer. Maybe Ganga, if you want to think.
Ganga is there.
Okay, just turn this side. So you see him, right?
Yeah.
Now what I am going to do is I am going to pump the water out of
I
him.
know, I got it.
So 1, 2, and 3.
Oh.
1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Stop and 1, 2, and 3. How much water you have? What you did?
Nice
Last
try.
one, 2, and 3. Actually, I had the fire trick, but I think fire will, raise some alarms. So I'll, end this show. We have a lot more items, but we are going to end this show by a little drone flying. It's entertaining. So let me just fix this.
The parrot game. Do you know how to operate? Rage will operate.
Jedi Master.
Let me just see.